Hey everyone, welcome back to On It Plumbing. This is Morgan. Today we want to show you how to change out an element on a water heater. It's the most common problem on an electric water heater that you're going to run into. These are like 18 years old. They should probably be replaced, but we just had a big job here, and just to save them money, we're going to try and get it going. So first thing you want to do is you're going to have these element covers on the unit. You're going to pop those off, pull the insulation out. You're gonna get here, you wanna make sure the power is off. And we're gonna set ours to AC, power's off. Should not be an electrical hazard now. Now you can test the elements with your ohms reader, which is this setting on your what do you call this, electrical tester?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the ohms reading right here. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna just take these wires off here. And we're gonna set that ohms reader, and it should be, I believe, between like 9 and 14 if it's good. Now I just like to drain it, which we're doing right now. You hook a hose up, drain that thing out, and I just like to pop them out and visually inspect them, because I've had the ohms reader be wrong. A lot of plumbers are gonna be like, oh bullshit. Well, I've had it happen, and I'm a service plumber. I deal with this all the time, so I prefer to look. You touch this in, and right there, oh, gotta set it to ohms. So it's gonna start out on overload. This should be between, I think it's like 9 and 15, 16. Ooh, might be an upper element that's toast. Nope, 12. There we go. See that? That's what you want. That's a good element still. We're gonna change it out. We're gonna change it out because it's 20 years old, and I just don't see the point in doing one without the other. So let's show you what's gonna happen when we got a bad element, which is this lower one. We're gonna do the same thing with the ohms reader. Popping this panel off. This is your element cover, just to keep people from getting shocked. So you got an upper and a lower element. The lower is the one that typically burns out. And I'm pretty sure, oh, I gotta disconnect the wires. Otherwise you're not gonna get an accurate read. Okay, I'm expecting this one to be bad. Look at that, overload. So that right there tells you we got a bad lower element. We're gonna change both of them out, all 4 elements. So we're draining this unit right now into the shower over here. If there's a lot of sediment, you probably do it outside, but this works great for what we're doing. Now, once we get it emptied, we'll show you what the next step is. All right, so you're gonna need a couple things. You're gonna want a decent sized breaker bar, an 1.5 inch socket, very necessary for doing this job. And then when you're getting your elements, your replacement elements, you're gonna wanna read the old ones right here. I'll let you kind of come in here. It says 4,500 watt, 240 volt. That is your standard. So this is these are your standard elements for almost any water heater, 30 to 80 gallons. But there is a couple that are different, so check that. You can see this one's 4,500 watt, 240 volt. Now I will say these are your basic elements. If you want to go with more expensive, fancier elements, they make some that double back so they don't heat as much. They do tend to last longer. They're a lot more expensive. I know somebody's going to leave it in the comments, so I'm telling you up front that I already know that. And if you want to really have the longer life ones, get the ones that double back. If you're in Josephine County and you just want to have the problem dealt with, give us a call. We'll come out within a few days and we'll get you knocked out, taken care of. You don't even have to worry about any of this. So we should be good on the upper element. We've been draining it for a while. We're gonna go ahead and just show you this, and then it's rinse and repeat from here. Just gonna show you how to do one. Actually, no, we'll show you the bottom one because that's the failed one. So you can see, should come out easy. I'm just hoping that I've got it drained down enough. What do you think, Pat? Are we good?
I think we're good to go.
Nothing more miserable than when it starts pissing everywhere because you didn't wait long enough.
Well, That's what these drains are for, just in case.
Yep. Okay. Pop this one out, which is good. There we go. Wow, definitely due for replacement. Look at all that buildup. It's not bad, but it's on its way to being bad. I can't even wait to see what the bottom one looks like. It's gonna be gnarly. Hold on, I gotta clean this off. There we go. All right, so make sure the old rubber gasket is removed. And then all you need to do is take your new one, make sure it's got a rubber gasket, stick it in. So you got that. And then as far as your wires go, you just use your screwdriver, find the wire you disconnected, and there is no real side to this that matters. It's just get it fully socketed in there. Hold on a second. I'm having some troubles. I gotta loosen this up. That's why. There we go. Get it in there. Tighten it up. Same with the other one. We're gonna try to loop that all the way around and get it in on the metal here. Perfect. Just like that. Tighten her down. And then you're just reinstalling the safety stuff. There we go. Boom. Boom. Put the cover on. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull this lower element. We think we got it just about drained. It's just we've been waiting for a while, so we're gonna find out here. All right, so we were hoping it was all the way drained, but we'll get our Milwaukee vac and suck this out. But you're gonna see here, I might need channel locks just to get this out, but it is so shot. I mean, just get a look at that. That is horrible. Wow. That is a bad element right there, and that is why you have to change them if your water heater starts not producing enough hot water, or if you get like a super hot flash and then it shuts off. Probably got a bad element. So we're gonna get these changed out. We've already showed you how to do it, and at this point I'm sure you're gonna want to subscribe so that you can get more plumbing tips. We'll see you on the next one.